Well, howdy there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for part 2 of the David Gates Find Me lesson. Unfortunately my first video ran out of camera time right towards the end of the song where I was trying to teach the outro. Okay, so this is to finish the song off on the outro. So we're coming out of the end of the first, the last verse and the last chorus from the line where it goes through 100 million faces. Okay, so it's F sharp minor 7th. Through 100 million faces, you B minor, see me shining through E minor 7th, because the glow will come close. G minor, will do so darling. D, please I'm getting you on bended. A7 suspended. And then we go back to F sharp minor 7th for the last couple of lines. We can share our love through all eternities, B minor, and then a quick bass note, second on the 6th again, then E minor 7th, is with you all I ever want to be, A7 suspended, A7, find D. Okay, so that's the bit I was trying to teach. So the very ending, when you come to the find me is the same as the first part, exactly the same as the intro we started the song off with, okay? Then the A, partial G, E minor, this is where it changes. You then play an A7 suspended 4th, and then the A7th, and then finally the D, where it just strums down or arpeggiates down, top of E open, and then hammer into the 2nd fret of the top E string, okay? And that's the end of the song, okay? So just to go through that again, this is the very end outro, okay? Okay, got that. Well, hopefully that'll help you guys to play that song. It's a lovely song and bit of a challenge in places. Okay, so thanks very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.